This planet exists within an incredibly narrow range from its star. A little closer and the oceans would boil. A little farther and water would freeze forever. Earth was not designed for life, it simply didn't miss. Early Earth had no oxygen in its atmosphere, no blue skies, no breath, a world instantly lethal to you. And when oxygen finally appeared, it was not a gift. It was a mass extinction. The young sun was violent and unstable. Earth's magnetic field was not yet secure. Solar winds stripped the atmosphere relentlessly. Had the magnetic field formed a little later, Earth would resemble Mars, dry, silent, and lifeless. Before we existed, life was nearly erased at least 5 times. Asteroids, volcanoes, suffocating oceans, climate collapse, each event capable of ending everything. Humans were never the main character. We are simply one of the survivors. A large moon stabilized Earth's axis. Plate tectonics recycled carbon. Oceans regulated temperature. None of these were guaranteed. They simply happened together. If history had shifted slightly, if an impact angle changed, if an extinction never ended, this planet would still exist, just without us. Earth never promised life. It certainly never promised humans. We are not the ending. We are a brief chapter. There was a time when Earth nearly froze entirely. Oceans sealed beneath thick ice, land reflecting sunlight, temperatures falling without end. This was not a winter, this was a snowball Earth. Had the ice not cracked, had volcanoes not returned carbon dioxide, life would have remained locked away forever. Even the oceans did not always allow life. Again and again, oxygen vanished from the seas. The deep turned dark and silent. Life suffocated underwater. Had these anoxic periods lasted longer, complex life would never have emerged. Earth was not struck only once. It was simply never struck at the perfect moment. Had a larger asteroid hit early in life's history, the entire biological experiment would have reset. Our existence depends on certain disasters never occurring. The extinction of dinosaurs was not meant for us. It left behind chaos and emptiness, a world without rulers. Mammals were just one branch barely noticeable at the time. If Earth's 4.6 billion year history were compressed into a single day, humans would appear in the final seconds. We were absent from nearly every turning point. We inherited outcomes, not causes. Earth existed without us and functioned perfectly well. Plates would still shift, volcanoes would still erupt, oceans would still circulate. We are not a requirement. We are a temporary allowance. Humans did not always cover the planet. There was a time when our numbers may have fallen to only a few thousand. A sudden climatic shift shrunk forests and erased resources. Had that bottleneck been slightly deeper, this story would have ended before it was written. We were not the only intelligent species. Neanderthals, Denisovans, others who understood their world. Understanding did not ensure survival. Earth does not select the smartest life. It preserves the luckiest. Agriculture allowed us to settle. Cities allowed us to concentrate, and concentration synchronized risk. Droughts, disease, collapse. One failure could bring everything down. Technology never erased natural laws. It only postponed our confrontation with them. Volcanoes remain, climate still shifts. Earth continues on its own rhythm. If humans vanished today, Earth would not pause. Cities would collapse, forests would return, rivers would reroute. No mourning, no remembrance, only function. This planet never required our existence. We were not a mission, not an objective. We were an allowed occurrence.